Hey, I got a call from someone today who I think is a very smart person, very inspiring person, very courageous person, and just an all-around good person. And she's like, "Hey Ty, I want to be on social media. I want to use social media, and but it's like every time I get on, instead of being motivated, I end up feeling bad about myself. I end up feeling demotivated to a degree most times. And that's because I feel like everyone is doing much better than me. I feel like everybody's life is in a much better place than I'm at. And I know I'm driving and I shouldn't be shooting this video but listen, regardless. And I said, well, are you following people? Who are you following, number one? And are you following people that will truly inspire you? People that you truly get something out of, right? Because you could follow family, and just because you're family, you're following them and not get anything out of them, right? You could follow someone that you don't know, and by the same token, based off their posts, if they've got a bunch of, political posts that really tear down someone that you kind of like, or, would like to vote for, or think should be in power or in office, then that can kind of lower your, it could actually definitely lower your self-esteem to a degree, right? If you're seeing comments and posts that go against what it is that you believe, it could lower your confidence level to a degree. So I think that with social media, we have to take it with a grain of salt. Everything that's put on social media is not necessarily for everyone. I think the best way to approach social media is to, number one, understand that most people don't put up all of the bad things that happen in their life, right? They're sharing the good stuff. They're sharing what you want them to believe is their actual day-to-day life, right? So that's the first thing, is just to realize that everything that you see is not everything that you see. The second thing is there's so many different choices. Follow people that really lift you up. You don't even have to know these people directly you don't have to have a one-on-one relationship with them. But follow people that really, motivate you, inspire you, make you laugh, make you feel good about yourself. Hell,